Welcome to Jase Institute of Technology. Please support us. Please do like, share, comment. So it will be more inspiring us to do more videos. Um, Welcome to Jase Institute of Technology. You can visit our website www.mjit.in. You like to write us. You can write info@mjit.in for all your IT training needs, automation training needs. You can WhatsApp us or you can call me. WhatsApp number 8825410600. Okay. Uh, Today's video session we are going to be discuss about VI editor in Linux. All your Linux, Unix, the text editor, the famous classic text editor is VI editor. Okay, VI is a text editor. This VI editor allows you to edit the line in the context. Okay, line you can edit in middle or top order. Those wherever you want to be edit, you can use VI editor. So mostly where we are going to be use this VI editor to edit our configuration files, to make some entries, for example your FS tab entries or other configuration file entries, where most of them are using VI editor. So VI editor, there are two modes of VI editors are there. One is command mode and another one is insert mode, and you can save and exit. So will before going to the hands-on, so what are the options available, and yesterday we seen like what are the options available in our VI editor. So I for insert and A for write a cursor after when get into the VI mode, then you can press A, then it takes to right after the cursor where is the pointing, that you are what are the like to insert it start from there. Okay. A, capital A, it goes end of the line, and escape from the insert mode. As U for undo the last change, capital U for do all the changes entire line, O for open a new line, D for delete a line, 3 double D it's used for delete 3 lines where the cursor is pointing from there, 3 lines you can delete. Capital D for delete the content of the line after the cursor. C, delete the content of the line after the cursor, and insert a new text, and press escape to end insert. Okay. D for DW for delete a word, 4 double D delete 4 words, C change the words. These are the options we are going to be execute on, and we can make use of our VI editor. Let's move to the hands-on without further delay. Yeah, how to open a VI file. Okay, first VI is the command. Okay, and then the file name. I like to give you a file 1.txt. okay, press enter. So you can open a file. So here this mode is called command mode. Okay, where it won't move here and there further, just open, and it's allow you to open a file. Okay, to insert some content to this file, press I. So you can notice here it got changed to, it is now into insert mode. Now it is allow you to write any content of the file. So let me write, this is my first VI file. Okay, let me randomly write something. Red Hat CentOS. This simply I'm trying to write some content of this file. Red Hat Linux, Unix, something you can write whatever you want. New line, testing file. Just you can write whatever, it absolutely it will allow you to do certain stuff. Okay, so let me just like to add two more demonstration. I'm like to add Suse. Okay, now I like to save this file. How to save this file? Okay, press escape colon, sorry, I'll come back to this. Escape, press I to insert mode. Now it is in insert mode. To save this file, you have to come out from the insert mode. For that, press escape colon WQ exclamatory. What this WQ exclamatory does? W is for write. What are the changes we have made? Quit from the file. Exclamatory for forcefully save and exit from this file. That's what it means here. Okay. Press enter. Yes, absolutely, we have come out of this file. Okay, again we'll open and check this file 1.txt. see what are the content is there. So now I press again I like to explore few what are the options we have seen over there. We can try it here. Okay, I'll first press small a, what it does. Okay, it start from where you can write. So the same way I like to press capital A, so it's gonna be right. So in insert mode, it is going to enter the character. What are the characters you are going to be enter in the file? I'll press escape. Now it is in command mode. Now I like to press capital A. You can see here it came end of the file, and then by default it got changed to the insert mode. So what are the options you're gonna be try? It should be in command mode, not in the insert mode. Once it's come to the insert mode, the character, what are the options you're gonna be try? That character is going to be insert over there. Again I'll press escape. Now it is in the command mode. Now I like to press O here. So you can see here it is started a new line. You can write here started new line. Okay, so what are the options you're going to be try? It's going to be by default open the new line, and it's allow you to start a new line. Again I press okay colon WQ exclamatory. Yes, let us validate whether it has been saved. Yes, here the new line has been changed. Okay, next, still it is in the command mode. Okay, you can move the cursor up and down, but you cannot enter anything. Okay, so now I have made some changes over here. So deleted some lines. Come back to this, and I'll press U to undo all my changes. See, press U. Okay, so it come back. Press U to bring back all your characters. Accidentally you have deleted something, you no need to worry. Press U in command mode, it will be restore everything. Okay, again I'm opening the file, and then by accidentally using two times you delete a file where the cursor is pointing, the line gonna be deleted. You can see that the line has been deleted. Now colon Q exclamatory. So without change, so sometimes in the configuration file you are not sure about the thing, then you need to refer some other file, no need to worry about. So press Q exclamatory. Okay, so again I'll open the file. See, the file which has been deleted, still it is not saved and exit. As soon as what are the changes you're gonna be make, you have to use WQ, then the file will be updated. Okay, for example, I like to delete these 3 lines. For use I3 in command mode DD. So the 3 lines got be deleted. Now colon WQ. you can notice here after new line there was a 3 lines, it got deleted. Okay, and now here I like to press DW. Okay, so the word got deleted. Okay, use X to that particular DW to delete it word. Okay, so still you can see it not come to the insert mode. Press I, then you type new line. Okay, how to delete a single character. Okay, press X. So it is in insert mode. As I said earlier, insert mode, it enter the character again. Press escape to bring back to the command mode. Then press X. Only one character you got deleted. Okay. Press R. So it got deleted. So press R. Instead of I, it got changed to the R. Okay. Press I and then I'll make the changes as a line. Okay. Yes. These are the options you can play around in the VI editor. Again, I'll go back to refer the PPT. See, these are the options where you can try and change the word, and the next for delete or for replace the character, capital R for override the character, cursor onwards, substitute for a single letter, substitute, capital S for begin the substitution, the replace the substitute in the replacing the characters, like for example substituting, there's some changes. So tilt symbol is used to change the case sensitive, capital to small, small to you can use tilt symbol. Okay, how to save and exit the close the file, you can use these 4 ways. Capital Shift plus ZZ, it will be help you out to save and quit the file. Colon W, it will save the file but still the file keep it open. Quit, as we said earlier, without any changes, it's going to be quit the file. WQ, save and exit. Okay, this is how you can make utilize the powerful VI editor. Is a powerful editor. All the Linux environment we are working in the Linux environment, we must know about VI editor. Okay, and Vim, we are comparing to the VI and Vim is improved. The graphical representation of the VI editor is called Vim. Okay, so thank you. Please do subscribe our channel. Please keep support us. It motivates us to do more videos. Thank you.